Welcome to Narayana live classes. Assignment 1 key. This is assignment 1 of July month. See here, dated on 1st July 2020. The topic is parts of speech. Find out the nouns, pronouns, adjectives and verbs. 10 sentences are given, right? In bracket. So, clue is given, what part of speech is there in that sentence, you have to find it out, right? What is given in bracket, that part of speech you have to find out from the given sentences, right children? See first one, Paul is a missionary. Paul is a missionary. Find out the noun in this sentence, okay, right? Here, two nouns are there, any noun you can find out. First one, see children, Paul. Paul is a noun. Noun means name of a person, place or thing. Naming word is noun, right? So Paul is a noun. Even missionary is also a noun, right? Two nouns are there in the sentence. Any one you can write. Second one, he had a book. He had a book. Find out pronoun in the sentence. Pronoun. What is the pronoun here? He. Dear children, we know very well. You have learnt parts of speech. He, she, it, they, we, you. So they are all pronouns. We know very well pronouns are used in the place of or instead of nouns. Now third one. She is a beautiful lady. In this sentence, find out adjective. One adjective is there. Find it out. She, pronoun children, is verb. A beautiful lady. So here, beautiful is an adjective. Adjectives, they describe or they qualify a noun or pronoun. Right children? So this beautiful describes this lady. What kind of lady she is? Beautiful. So it says about the quality of this lady. Beautiful is an adjective. Fourth one, Geeta is doing hard work. Geeta is doing hard work. Children, find out adjective in given sentence. Geeta, noun, right? Naming word, noun. Is verb. Doing, verb. These two are verbs. Helping verb, main verb. Hard work. Work is noun. This noun is qualified by hard, means what kind of work it is. That is stated by this word, hard. So, hard is an adjective. Now, fifth one. The students finished their projects. The students finished their projects. Children, right? The students finished their projects. In this one, find out, so here, verb. Find out the verb. The student's subject. So, finished is verb. Right? Finished, verb. Now, let us see sixth one. Corona is pandemic disease. Corona is a pandemic disease. So, in this one, identify adjective. Adjective is there in the given sentence. Identify it. Corona, noun, naming word. Is verb. So, disease, noun. We have given certain name. So, disease, noun. It is qualified by this pandemic. Means this disease, kind of this disease is indicated by the word pandemic. So, pandemic is an adjective. Seventh one. Indian soldiers are brave. Indian soldiers are brave. Children, find out noun. Noun in this sentence. See here, when we say, I am an Indian, I am an Indian, there it is noun, right? Indian soldiers. Soldiers is noun. So this noun is qualified by this word. Actually, this is proper adjective. This is adjective. This is noun. Soldiers, noun. Now let us see eighth one. They are players. They are players. Identify the verb. Find out the verb. So they pronoun used as the subject of the sentence. Are verb. Players again noun. So that is used as object of this verb. So are is verb. Ninth one. Santosh has a car. Santosh has a car. Identify the verb. Santosh has a car. Identify the verb. See here, Santosh noun, naming word. A car also noun, naming word. So has verb. Possessive verb. Verb of possession. 10th one. China tries to cheat many countries. Children, in this one, so China tries to cheat many countries. China noun, naming word, right? Tries verb, cheat verb, countries noun. So this noun is qualified by the word many. So many is an adjective. Like this, children, depending on the function of the words, we can find out parts of speech, right children? So in this one, nouns, pronouns, adjectives and verbs, these 4 parts of speech are given. I hope you got this. Thank you. All the best.